Buying a home for the first time? Today, I'm walking you through the exact process of buying a home in Ottawa from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect and don't feel lost along the way. Let's get into it. First things first, the last thing you want is to fall in love with a home only to realize it's out of your price range. Before you even start looking, talk to a mortgage broker or lender to get pre-approved. This will give you a clear budget and make your offers much stronger. No guessing, just facts. Now that you know your numbers, it's time to lock in that pre-approval. Fixed rate, variable rate, open, closed. There are a ton of options and it can get overwhelming fast. The right mortgage depends on your financial situation and your long-term plans. Need help? I've got great mortgage pros I can connect you with. Now for the fun part, house hunting. But here's the deal. It's not just about the house. It's about the neighborhood, commute, schools, and future resale value. Before you start booking showings, think about what's important to you. Are you looking for a quiet suburban feel? Or do you want to be close to the action downtown? Make a list of your must-haves and nice-to-haves. This will help narrow down your search. Next up is the home inspection. Never skip this step. A home might look great on the surface, but an inspection will catch any hidden issues, foundation problems, outdated electrical, roof issues, you name it. I always recommend working with a trusted inspector to make sure you're making a solid investment. And again, I've got a great team of home inspectors I can connect you with. Once your offer is accepted, your lender finalizes your mortgage, and a lawyer reviews everything to make sure you're protected. This is also when you'll set up your home insurance and finalize all the details before closing day. This is it, the day you get the keys. Once everything is signed, sealed, and delivered, you officially become a homeowner. Buying a home doesn't have to be overwhelming when you have the right strategy and the right team behind you. If you're thinking about buying in Ottawa, I'd love to help you navigate the process and make it as smooth as possible. Thinking about buying? Let's chat. Drop a comment below, DM me anytime or call, and don't forget to follow for more Ottawa real estate tips